Yeah, that's going on the video, bro. It's recording. It's recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't sit here.
Alright, Jits.
What's good?
Today we're gonna be, what are we doing?
Changing the spark plugs.
Let's get a nice look at that engine. Oh yeah.
Yeah, dirty as hell.
Hell yeah. First,
You get them, you take them out.
Fire, that'd be advice.
You pop them, you just pop them out. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, Lawson.
No, you just take it out.
Fire. Let me just make sure these are at the correct spot and my hands might be burning.
Taking my jacket off.
Don't worry, I got you.
Take these off first.
Shit, the engines are still pretty warm because of Muhammad.
Hell yeah. The spark plugs might be hot as hell, man.
What was that goopy ass noise?
Thanks.
Oh, I see them all the way down
I
there.
wasn't beating on it, I was driving pretty good. Focus.
Alright, now the first thing I think we should do. Scoot over there, guys. Scoot over there.
You want to take one out and see what size it is?
I got you, Jit. Let's show the camera what spark plugs we're using.
Yeah, the copper ones, the cheap ones, the $5 ones.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we're cheap bastards, so you know we gotta use cheap
Those
shit.
motherfuckers.
Hella cheap. We broke his hip.
Hell yeah. This is budget builds.
Here's the part number.
Decent angle.
I bet.
Oh, bro, stop! Bro, stop! Bro, stop!
This is the bullshit I have to deal with.
Yes, blood. Alright. Pop this open. Can I touch this?
You can touch me.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the gap size for the Civic again?
44.
Yeah. Okay.
I got another one.
Bro,
Yeah,
you got
that's-
this blocking the camera, bro.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I ain't blocking anything.
Oh, it barely fits.
Yeah, it barely fits.
Oh, no.
Oh, dude, you barely even needed that tight. Alright, so that's
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I'll take him
Oh,
out
he
now.
broke it. Chat, he broke it. Chat, is this real? Chat, am I real?
Dude, it barely needs to be tight.
Alright, so now the fun part. How do we actually get it out of there?
Don't worry. We'll do it.
Okay.
You can get like some clamps or
Wait,
something.
let's do a fun challenge. Let's try to turn the engine on without the spark.
This is not gonna turn on.
I give great ideas to my friends. I'm using my succulent power to take it out.
Yeah, suck on it really hard. Oh,
Damn.
He's gonna inhale the oil.
that's good. That's the best one.
You know, my body's basically a ninja. I get beat on by little kids.
What?
Huh? I didn't say none.
This is the man who says it all.
Dude, if you guys think I'm bad, you need to meet David, bro. David is the worst one, bro. This is the tool right here. I bought it off AutoZone like almost a year ago now.
Fire. And now we're finally putting it to use.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Oh, is it not loose?
It's not loose, man.
God damn it. Alright, chat, give us a few more seconds.
Chat.
Wow!
Oh my god! Wow!
Hey, show chat the spark plug.
Wow.
Look at the spark plug, guys. Look how... Yeah, it's focusing. Look how cooked it is. How's it looking, Brian?
It's a little hot.
It's
Oh,
hot.
that boy oily. Where are the rags?
I have none.
Right here. Give
Go
me that
grab
rag.
one.
Give me that rag, please.
It doesn't look terrible.
I already showed you guys this, but we're gonna be replacing it with NGK. NGK.
Very nice.
Dude, these things are pretty clean though on the inside.
Kind of clean, yeah.
They're clean, man.
You take out the old spark plugs, give them to check the condition.
No, I don't.
I'm already called tips on them. They're right there, by the way. Yeah.
That's good.
Is it at 2 yet? Yep, time to clock out. Really?
Nice. Yeah. I already clocked out.
Wait, why 2?
Because I started.
Huh?
He started at 11.
Yeah, so 11 to 3, no?
Oh yeah, I got one in.
11, 2, 11, 12.
They say just to tighten it in by hand.
What did you clock out at 3, bro?
I don't know.
Bro,
Did they tell you to clock out at 2 today?
I don't know when I clock out. When do I usually clock out?
3.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're only supposed to. This is
That's only a
3
3-hour shift.
Yeah, don't you have 4?
Well, I just forgot.
Nah, way.
I didn't clock out yet.
Hey, you better hope your boss doesn't see this video. What is that zesty ass?
Maybe.
Hey, is it working?
He's just gonna edit it out.
Isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah,
I
you
will.
just say hand tighten it or what?
Yeah, just hand tighten it.
I bet.
One day, Lost will be and he'll give me his pussy.
Yo!
Oh hell!
Yeah, you have to cut that out.
No, I'm leaving that in, bro.
That's crazy.
Everything's getting left.
He just sold his career, bro. Alright.
Is it wrong for a man to like pussy?
Yeah. Alright, put that shit in. I'm gonna try to turn it off.
I hope the car just blows up.
That's good.
Like I hope it literally just goes boom.
Yeah, let's not.
Alright,
stand in front
chat.
of
We're
the-
about to try turning this shit on.
Actually, let's all stand in front of the hood.
Ah. Alright, turn on the car. Turn on the car.
About to wait. Yeah.
Turn on the car.
Alright, chat. Give us a like and subscribe.
Just in case.
Give us a prayer.
I'm gonna move up back here.
Turn on the car. Turn on the car.
Hey, open the door. Open the door. We're gonna die to the
Oh
fucking
yeah, yeah.
toxic
Open the,
fumes.
open the door.
Alright, chat. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. Go like this.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah.
You guys are so.
This car sounds like dog.
Here you go, mama.
Mama and Papa again.
I was a little better now.
A little.
You can still hear those.
Yeah, it's probably the fuel injector. I think these are the fuel injectors.
It's at like 1.5k RPM.
It's not that hard.
He's so smart, man. He's so smart, man.
Show 'em the dash real quick. Oh yeah, we can barely see. Oh yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
stuck at 1.5ish.
Open the door.
Open the door, hold on.
It's king.
Look at King over there.
It's king.
This car sounds so bad, bro.
Hey, but we did it. We got the
You
spark
gotta
plugs
get rid
changed.
of that exhaust.
Let's show chat some things that we did off camera. You know, we got a new.
Hold up.
new
Let me
hood.
just say, my only contribution today was bringing this tool.
Let's show chat some things we got. Alright, leave the light on.
I haven't really done much anything to it.
We found this at the junkyard.
Oh yeah, and we fixed the hood
No, you
spacers.
the
Yeah.
Honda.
We got rid of the hood
Oh yeah,
spacers.
guys, this is really important. You need to mention this. We put a
If anybody
Honda
wants these, hit me up. Password Jadian.
We put a OEM Honda steering wheel on here. It actually is OEM. It's manufactured by Honda.
Oh
I know. We replaced the valve stem covers. The kid before us had some dice on it for some reason. That shit was ass. And we put plastic ones on it.
Fire.
What else did
We got a new wing right here.
Yeah, this new wing
This
is
is a
really
new
good.
wing.
Really good wing.
Plus 10 downforce. Let's show them the wheels that we picked up at the junkyard. As y'all can see, these tires are bald. Let me show chat the wheels that we picked up. These wheels were plasti dip white, but we used Rust-Oleum aircraft remover,
I'm gonna take it to the car wash.
and now we messed them up.
You got a brush?
It's fire. No, I ain't got no brush. I do. The brush doesn't work though. We really have to power wash it. So these spares are gonna be going
That's
on to here.
Good
But
job to the primer.
we need to somehow take off this wheel lock first.
Hello. Hello. Look. Oh! You want to taste it?
Yes.
Sorry.
Can I help you?
Dude, this one makes the same sound as my old one did. Me PTSD. Do you see an orange pick tool on the bench anywhere? Brian? What are you worrying?
Say that again. Say that again. You get. Before I start, just want to tell y'all something real quick. So obviously this wheel had key locks on it, and I bought this tool right here, the wheel stripper or the wheel lug nut extractor. Oh, there you go. Put this away. It's right here. It's this little black part. It's basically reverse thread, and it just holds on and then basically tightens it to the point where you can just break it off, break the lug nut off. I wouldn't really prefer, or I would recommend you guys not to use this, but instead save your money and just go buy like a 19 or like a 3/4 ratchet. Just hammer it in there instead. This part right here was like 22 bucks, but if you guys don't have like a clamp or something really hard to hold on to it, because you got to take this part off obviously to reuse it, but I don't, so cheaper option for me was just to go grab one of these 19 millimeters and basically just, you want to put it on there and just hammer it in. Alright, so after I installed them, I gotta fill up the tires now. So I'm just gonna be using this tool and a Harbor Freight air compressor. So, alright, so after I installed these tires, or wheels, I'm gonna do a little quick rundown on some things that we did so far. And it is, I'm guessing it is March 21st. So let's just do a quick walk around of what we have done to the Civic so far. So first of all, if y'all remember, I put a photo. There was these hood risers, or whatever they are. These, password JDM, right here. And it was like at an angle, so we took those off, obviously, because why would you even put that on? And second of all, today we just put on some spares. I will buy a different set of wheels. Let's walk around to the rear of the car. So as y'all can see these taillights right here, I am going to get the taillights replaced. I'm currently looking for the red and white ones, the OEM red and white ones, or OEM looking red and white ones. I know they go for like $100 probably, but I'm just going to search in my local area first, and then I'll probably just end up buying them online. So as y'all can see underneath, where's the exhaust? Well, it's all the way down there. And whatever that chrome little brace or whatever you guys call it, I'm gonna be replacing that because I do not want people to be, what even is that? And then this exhaust right here, y'all can't really see, but I'm gonna be replacing this exhaust. I did lock in another exhaust. I'm gonna go pick it up probably on the weekend or whenever the other guy's free. These headlights right here, I don't really like this white bar right here. I'll show you guys a photo. I like the normal chrome OEM ones that come on this car, and I might be replacing this front grille also because, you know, it's broken. But besides that, let's open the engine real quick. I know some of y'all wanted to see what engine is in here. Let me just pop this open. Can y'all see that? And also over here, we picked up a new hood latch from the junkyard off another Civic. Got a lucky score with that. Now let me show y'all the engine in case y'all haven't seen it already. This is, if I had to guess, I'm gonna say it's the D16Y8. This is the one that has, people claim it has VTEC. I'm just gonna say it has VTEC because I have a Honda now. So it has this whack intake on it that I will be taking off. Like, what is this? Game of Thrones looking intake. I'm gonna be getting rid of that, but yeah, pretty much everything is stock in here. And another thing is, if you guys haven't noticed, this sub was in the back of the trunk of the Civic. But this thing weighs so much. Like I would have to say like 50 to 100 pounds. Just nah. I might be like, I'm a little weak, so for me it seems like it weighs a ton. But I have no clue what brand these are. Some kicker, and it has, it's paired with this. I'm gonna end up selling this on Facebook for how much I think it's worth, and hopefully I can just use that money and fund the Civic basically. Yes, I need to clean the garage, as y'all can see. We got stuff everywhere. But besides that, that's currently how the Civic sits right now. We have done some maintenance. We're gonna be doing it on the weekend if it doesn't snow. It claims that there's about to be around 10 inches of snow, and this Civic is gonna suffer. It's also gonna be my first time driving manual in the winter. But so far to the engine for maintenance, we have done just spark plugs, because we're trying to figure out what the idle issue, like what's causing it. But I think it's just there is an exhaust leak like right under where the cat connects to the whatever pipe. So we think that could be causing it, or after I buy the exhaust and if it doesn't fix the problem, I'm just gonna end up replacing the fuel injectors. But that's pretty much it. Next video is probably be headlights, exhaust. We have some videos coming up. We have the headlight video soon, the exhaust video soon. I also bought some interior goodies, so that'll be on another video also. But yeah, I'll probably just wrap up this video. I really don't have anything else to do to the Civic or show you guys. This is like a little group project. But maybe soon, in the summer, we might have to boost it. But that'll be coming soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you guys very soon for our next video that's gonna drop probably sometime over the weekend or next week. Alright, see ya.